Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your iPhone has been hacked pop-up on Safari scam. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and using your Safari browser and you're having this type pop-up message that your iPhone or your Apple iPhone has been hacked, all operation on your device are being tracked by hacker, immediate action is required. So if you're having this type issue or seeing this message, so there is nothing else. This is just a scam message or a fake message. So if you want to block this or disable this one, so you can easily disable that. You have to simply go back from here. So just have to open your settings app, then scroll down. You'll find the apps option from here, and then scroll down again, and then go for Safari app from here. Now scroll down and here you'll find the option of clear history and website data. Select that, then select clear history, and after that you just have to scroll down and you'll find the option of block pop-ups here. Once you find block pop-ups, you must have to enable this, and once you have enabled, you will not get any scam pop-up or any pop-up ad in your Safari browser. So in this way, you can easily fix the scam message on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.